Task 1. Where is the 3D planner?
Here shows one participant operation of looking for the 3D planner. Firstly, he just goes through the web page to look for, then he used the search bar to find it. We find that there is one button at the bottom of the home page linked to the planner. Seldom people can find it. Most people find the planner using search bar.
Task 2. Design with 3D planner.
Most participants mentioned that it is easy to set the size of the kitchen. When people want to add some specific size of product, the product list located at the left side of the page is hard to use, because the list only show the name of the products. The product details is limited.
It is difficult to do dragging operations. When changing locations, it would be better to give some recommend option locations, not only show warnings. Task 3. Book specialist appointments.
When people want to book a specialist, there are two options. One is use the search bar to search. The other is to find it at customer service. They should be the same result, but the website gives two different results, which may confuse users. Task 4. Online shopping. Some participants find it is difficult to use the product search filter. They cannot set product size range. In addition, it would be better to provide price high to low, low to high, product name A to Z, Z to A, sort options. Task 5. IKEA family. Many participants mentioned that it is silly to create two accounts in the same website. They have to fill the personal details 2 times. It would be better to combine them together. It is difficult to book a workshop in IKEA family system. The workshops are only available in Springvale and Tempe throughout the whole country.